Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, and I hope you're fine. Right now, first of all, I will be open your file, and this is your file. Okay, it is taking some time. Right now, these textures are missing, but anyway, continue. Okay. And now I am here. Okay. First of all, I was telling you that follow my method, which I wrote and I also sent you. But I don't know what are you doing, and you did not follow me. First of all, you can see there are different kinds of lights you put in this scene, like these sun and everything. First of all, I will create a camera. Now you can see here are the camera, but it is not appearing in my scene. I will delete the camera and I will delete all types of lights from your scene. These are lights. I will select just light and press Ctrl A and hit delete. I delete all types of your lights in your scene, and you was asking to me that um this is the 3D model, and when you are moving, you have seen that it is very heavy. Select this car, again come in all and select this car and right click and hide this car. Okay. Now, first of all, I will create the camera, press T for top, and then come here for camera. I will press F3 for wireframe mode. And you can see I will select very physical camera and create a new camera in your scene. You can create camera according to your need, but I am using front F and then L for left. Select the camera, right click and target, then press Control and select the camera. Now target and camera are selected. Press W for move. I move the camera on some height and press C. Now you can see your scene. Press F3 and press Shift plus F for frame. And now zoom in a little bit in camera mode. Okay. Now Alt plus W and T for top. Now first of all, I will create a light. Vray and Virasan. You can put light as per requirement right now. I will press F and W, give little bit height to my light, Virasan, and right now press F10 or render setup, then V-Ray, global switches, and choose override material. Click here and take V-Ray material. Okay, and I will use the presets for render setup, which I have sent you. You can see, go to render setup. This is for test render plus. I don't know what is the problem, but again, global switches and take video material. Right now, I did not make any change. Just I will choose the output size because I want uh, just test render and hit render production. Right now I am here and you can see, first of all, I am watching the my light mode, like where is my light. But I think here in render setup, you mix up a lot of things. I will delete. This will make long render time. Delete, delete, and delete. Right now, again, I will take a render. You can see the shadow and light in the scene. Now, here is some problem. This is same like a too much white image because display color in RGB mode. Click here and I can see a good result. Now you can move your camera and you can move your light according to your need. Like for example, I want to less light, like evening time, I will drop the sun. For example, I need too much light, like daytime, it will go up. Okay, but don't use too much settings in vray sun because this is very natural sun, and don't play too much with camera. For example, you are watching that too much light in your scene. You can don't move the sun setting. You can adjust the vray camera, like vray camera, vray physical camera, and you can see one is the girl's word, and the second one you can play with this. For example, if I am going to, it mean less light. Okay. For example, I am going down, it's mean too much light. For example, 300, and now I take a render. This is too much light. Okay. For example, this is less light. For example, another problem. I need some color correction, then use temperature. For example, this is 6500. For example, I want to little bit bluish, then go down and take a render. Now you can see another effect, bluish light. Okay, and it is observing the basic sun mood. I am only always changing the camera setting. I will never play with the Virasun settings too much because that is not good for professional workflow. And this is the one thing. And in next session, I will be tell you how to put the IES light in your scene. And when you will be completed your lights, then you will go on the material. Don't put material before the light. Okay. Allah Hafiz.